Hello, and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. It's Kelly here, and today we are so excited to be going over all of the products from our April 2025 release. These products are so much fun, and we are so thrilled to be showing you all of the stamps, dies, and stencils, and more from this release. We just featured all of these products in our April Inspiration Week, and there are intro videos for all the products available now too. And the awesome thing is that all of these products are available. Everything you see here in this video is available on April 17th. So we thought today it would be fun to give you a peek at all of these fun products. So let's go ahead and check out everything in this April 2025 release. First up, we're going to take a look at the brand new interactive die Pull and Slide Surprise. As you pull the tab, you get this fun three-dimensional surprise, which is so awesome. You can use this interactive die as a cool way to present a gift card, or you can use it as a cool way to surprise someone with a fun sentiment or also a little surprise scene too. This awesome card fits in a standard envelope with standard postage, but when the recipient gets it and pulls the tab, you get this amazing three-dimensional look that is absolutely stunning. I think this is so much fun, not only to share a gift card, but also to create cool extensions like we've done in this card here, and I love that this die can work with any of your favorite stamps and dies in your stash. Now here is our brand new Backyard Bird Feeder stamp set and the Backyard Bird Feeder add-on, which of course have their coordinating dies and coordinating coloring stencils. This set is so cute. It has these adorable bird feeders, these super cute birds, and of course little squirrels that are going after the bird seeds, and I love making scenes with these. This is Little Woodland Library Friends with its coordinating dies and coloring stencils, and it's a fun addition to our previously released Little Woodland Library. The new critters are absolutely adorable, and they just make me smile. Then here we have our Simply Celebrate Graduation stamp set with the coordinating dies and coloring stencils. It's the latest in our Simply Celebrate series, and it's so cute, not only for graduation cards, but also for teacher cards too, and it fits perfectly on the brand new Pull and Slide Surprise. And speaking of Simply Celebrate, here is Simply Celebrate Hangouts, its coordinating dies and coloring stencils. These hangouts are the perfect place for all of your favorite Simply Celebrate critters to hang out on. So you can take the cute rows of critters from all of those different stamp sets and add them onto these little hangouts like a fence, a log, a piece of cheese, a table. They are so cute and fun. To celebrate our 15th birthday, we have our Year 15 stamp set, which is the latest in our series of year sets, and this cute little boba tea is just adorable, and I love it with the smiley faces. This is our Build a Bird Feeder die set. It is so much fun because you can build a bird feeder and you can also make it into a cool shaker too. It has these adorable die cut birds that look so cute with the bird feeder, but you can also combine the bird feeder with some of your favorite stamped images like the ones from the Backyard Bird Feeder stamp set. The bird feeder is also a great match to the interactive Pull and Slide Surprise, and it's just so much fun to layer the dies to create the perfect little bird feeder for your scenes. This is our tassel tag, and I love it because you can create a tassel and you can also create a little tag. You can put them together or use them on their own, and making the tassels is so much fun. They're super cute for tags, for decor, on little packages, on your cards, and also you can use the little fringe there as a fringe design on your card instead of just a tassel. I love being able to do multiple things with my dies. Next up, we have our Woodland Critter Hugger Graduation add-on. This is our latest add-on to our Woodland Critter Huggers, and it gives you all of these cute little graduation elements that you can add onto these adorable critters. Here we have our fox, and also you can use those cool elements on their own too, which is really great. And of course, the Woodland Critter Hugger is a perfect match for the Pull and Slide Surprise die too, and I just love her holding her little diploma. It's just so sweet and so much fun. Next up, we have an add-on to our Ta-Da Diorama interactive die. This is the scalloped window add-on, and it gives you not only a really cool scalloped window, but also some cute little birthday things that you can add onto your Ta-Da dioramas. I love these cards because they fold flat in a standard envelope, but they give you this fun three-dimension, and I love that we have a new style of window to use with the Ta-Da now. Here we have our leafy border and also our tree branches border, and these are perfect for setting the scenes on your cards. I love the leafy border because it looks so great cut out of pattern paper or colored cardstock, and I love layering all the little leaves onto the tree branches border, and you can create really cool cards with them. Next up, we have a brand new paper piecing style die, and this is our party mouse. And this little mouse is so cute. He's holding on to the balloon, and I think it looks absolutely adorable, and I love this paper piecing style of die. We have two brand new backdrops. We have tree branches backdrop in a portrait style and also in a landscape style. These are really awesome because you can use them as is, or you can also cut away some of the branches to help form your most favorite scenes. This looks really, really cute with all of our brand new bird themed items, but I also love these branches for scenes for so many different critters. Next up, we have our giant You Did It die. This is so cute for graduation cards, but it's also really great for things like retirement or maybe if someone like recently did something really cool. I just love this die for a big, bold sentiment. And speaking of sentiments, we have our Scripty Congrats outline. Scripty Congrats came out years ago, and now we have a nice outline base to layer behind it. Next, we have our Daisy Bloom background stencils. I love this. It's a three-step stencil that gives you these cute little daisies and a fun background too. You can make them really bold, you can make them rainbowy, or you can even do tone-on-tone looks too, and I just think this is the happiest stencil. It just makes me smile. And speaking of stencils, we have also our graduation caps stencils. And I love this because it's the perfect background for graduation cards and you can customize the colors to the recipient. I also really love doing the details with stencil paste too. And then we have our Stratus Cloud background stencil. This is a nice one-step stencil that gives you beautiful clouds for adding to your scenes. They can be really subtle that you can do a tone-on-tone look or you can do something more bold. They also look really great with paste as well. We have two new washi tapes, our Congrats Grad washi tape and our Lots of Dots washi tape. These are so much fun. I absolutely love the grad one with all the fun rainbow details, and the dots are perfect from birthday to thank you to anything that you can think of. And last but not least, we have a new cardstock color. It's our Hyacinth cardstock. It's a really beautiful purple, and this is in our 100-pound heavyweight cardstock. And that is a look at the product in our April 2025 release. We had so much fun during this April Inspiration Week, and we hope you guys did too. We're really looking forward to sharing more inspiration ahead, including with our upcoming May Inspiration Week. And we're so excited that all of these fun products are available on April 17th. I also wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for all of your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and for just being absolutely incredible. We appreciate you guys so much and we cannot wait to see what you're going to create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We absolutely love seeing your incredible and amazing creations and we're so grateful for you and your beautiful projects and your amazing kindness. You guys really are Seedsational friends. So thank you so much for watching today and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye.